What's up, everybody? So I needed to do a SIM swap with Vodacom, and I went online to try and find out how to do it, and I couldn't find the easiest way. So here's my experience. And so far, I think this is the easiest way because I don't like speaking to Vodacom operators. They're very annoying, and I like to do things with robots. So if I could do it on the app, I'd prefer that. If I could do it on the phone, I would prefer that. But doing it on the phone without talking to anyone, this is the best option. So the first thing you're gonna do is get the SIM card that you want to do the SIM swap on, and you're gonna take that SIM card and you're gonna have it in front of you. Now here's a picture of the SIM card with the starter pack that it came with, which has all the numbers that you need. You're only gonna need the numbers at the bottom that starts with 89 and all of the digits that come with that. So what you're gonna do is dial 135 using a Vodacom number so that it's free. And once you're there, follow the prompts until you get to a point where they ask you what you want to do and choose the option of doing a SIM swap. After doing a SIM swap, you also need to choose the option at the end where they ask you whether you want to speak to a Vodacom consultant or the option of speaking to their chatbot named Toby, which is what I did. And once that is done, it's going to tell you to hang up. And when you hang up, Toby is going to send you a message, an SMS that you're going to start with. So you can see here, this is my interaction with Toby, and this actually finished the SIM swap for me. So the first message that Toby sent was, to continue with the SIM swap, please type 1 or 2 to view our menu. I typed 1, so it returned back telling me, would you like to 1. process a SIM swap, or 2. cancel or reverse a SIM swap? I wanted to do a SIM swap, so I hit 1. Now, the next one, they say, all SIM swap requests may take up to 3 hours to complete. Please remember to copy your contacts from your SIM card to your device, or you will lose all your cell phone contacts. So make sure to do that before you proceed and go further. And then it says, before we get started with your SIM swap, please ensure you have your new prepaid starter pack nearby with the SIM card number starting with 89. Starter packs can be purchased from any participating retail store. I already have it, and that is why I'm doing the SIM swap. So it's gonna look like this, and this is where you're gonna find your number that you're gonna need for this SIM swap. All you need are these numbers, guys. Don't look at anything else, and don't care about all the other information on the SIM card, because all you're gonna need are these digits at the bottom here. Now moving on, it says, I'm going to do a few checks and get back to you in a sec. Please don't type anything during this time. But this happened very fast. It didn't even give me time at all, and the next SMS came and says, almost done with the checks, hang in there. And then it said, thanks for waiting. Would you like to do a SIM swap on the number that I'm doing a SIM swap on? This means this is the number you typed in, which you would like to transfer from the old SIM card. So this is your old number that you want to move to the new SIM card, okay? So thanks for waiting. Would you like to do a SIM swap on the old number? And the option is yes, 1 for yes, or 2, enter a different number. It was the first one, which is the one that I entered when I was dialing 135, so I hit 1. And then you go on, are you sure you want to do a SIM swap on the number he mentions again? And I said yes. And then it says, perfect, give me a sec. I'm just going to validate this number. Remember, don't type anything. Still checking. All checks done. Now get your new SIM card ready. This is where you're gonna need the number from the new SIM cards now. And now it says, okay, enter only the first 6 digits found on your SIM card. It always starts with 89. Example, 891234. So you choose the number starting with 89, which I did. That's from the new SIM card that I just bought from the starter pack. And now it says, now enter only the last 8 digits of the SIM card number. Now instead of looking at the first or the beginning, you look at the last 8 digits at the end. You type those last 8 digits at the end, and then it says, got it, thanks. is your SIM card number, and it details all of the numbers here for that number from beginning to end. Just verify that it's the same, and I did that, so I said yes. Before I do the SIM swap, I need to ask a few security questions. Can I go ahead? So it's going to conduct a few security checks to make sure that you are actually the person that owns the SIM card you want to do a SIM swap from, because sometimes fraudsters will hijack your SIM card like this and just do a SIM swap, and they will get your phone. So say for instance they want to steal stuff and they already have a hold of your bank account and they want the OTP sent to the SIM card, it's going to send it to them instead of you. So you got to be very careful. They have to be careful. So they ask questions that only you should know as the owner of the SIM card now. Okay, so then I said yes, and he will say, we will now proceed with the security questions. Please reply with yes or no for each question. And then the first question was your last recharge 275 Ren? You should know the answer to this because it was your SIM card, right? I said no because it wasn't. And then it says, is the make of the cell phone, router, or tablet for the number you're transferring from a Huawei? And I said no because it wasn't. Did you buy a WhatsApp ticket in the last 2 days? I said no because I didn't. The last question is, did you take an airtime advance, an airtime loan in the last 2 days? I said no because I didn't. And then it said, thanks, the authentication was successful and we will now process your SIM swap. And then it says, your SIM swap will take up to 3 hours to complete. Any requests after 6:30 p.m. will be processed the next day between 6 a.m. and 8 a.m. Remember, for a richer Toby experience, you can also chat to me on WhatsApp on 08200 98624. Normal WhatsApp charges apply. So I don't know if you can also do SIM swaps using this method, but that option is there, and I presume that if you have any questions for Vodacom, you can just simply use that and WhatsApp them over there, and it should work. So that's good to know, I guess. And it asked me if there's anything else that he can help me with, this robot. And I said no thanks, very politely, because he was actually nice and that was actually really efficient. I was impressed. So after this, I'm just gonna wait a little bit. And mine is gonna be processed at 6 a.m. in the morning because it's late now. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So that is the best way that I think doing a SIM swap on Vodacom is. I don't have to speak to anybody and I don't have to deal with anybody's attitude, and it's still efficient at the same time. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. To recap, all you need to do is dial 135 and then choose the option to do a SIM swap, and after that choose to speak to the chatbot Toby, and you can hang up and then do the rest via SMS. And all you need to do after that is use the number that is located on your SIM card, the new SIM card, and the information that you have on the old SIM card that you want to do a SIM swap on. And it's really that easy. So let me know if this video helped you in any way. Hit the like button at the bottom to let me know that you like videos like this and maybe get more of them next time. And thank you for watching. Till next time. Peace.